In a world of constant storms, a lone tree stood resilient. "Why do you not fall?" asked the wind. "I bend, but do not break," replied the tree. Each gust strengthened its roots, each rain nourished its leaves. Nearby, a river watched, learning. "I will carve my path," it declared, flowing with determination. The sun, witnessing their resolve, shone brighter, encouraging growth. "Together, we endure," they echoed, embracing challenges as opportunities. Their resilience inspired the forest, teaching that strength lies not in resisting the storm, but in adapting to it. "Rise and grow stronger," whispered the earth,